How to change difficulty in Horror Tale 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the difficulty of the game. First of all, open the application. Now here, you can simply tap on New Game. So here, you can select the difficulty easily. Here, there are different difficulty that are available. So the easiest one is the course one. So enemy doesn't see you or doesn't even attack you. Now, if you are a pro player, you can directly tap on Hard and tap on Free. So it's according to your preference and the experience that you have while playing the game. So select the one and simply tap on play, and now we are inside the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.